Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of smartphones with the brand new Samsung S25 Ultra. This phone is packed with features that will blow your mind. Stay tuned as we uncover the 10 insane features of the Samsung S25 Ultra you won't believe. First up, the Samsung S25 Ultra boasts a groundbreaking 200-megapixel camera. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. This camera captures every detail with stunning clarity and vibrant colors, making your photos look professional every time. Next, we have 8K video recording. The S25 Ultra allows you to capture cinematic videos with incredible detail and lifelike colors. Whether you're recording your adventures or making a short film, this feature is a game changer. Ever wanted to see the moon up close or capture distant objects in astonishing detail? The 100x space zoom on the S25 Ultra lets you do just that. Get ready to explore the world like never before. Say goodbye to notches and punch holes. The S25 Ultra features an under-display camera that remains invisible until you need it, giving you a truly immersive viewing experience. Worried about running out of juice? The S25 Ultra comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery and super-fast charging that gets you back to full power in no time. Powering this beast is the Exynos 2200 processor, delivering lightning-fast performance and incredible efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the S25 Ultra handles it all with ease. The dynamic AMOLED 2X display on the S25 Ultra is nothing short of spectacular. With stunning colors, deep blacks, and smooth motion, your content has never looked this good. AI is at the heart of the S25 Ultra, enhancing every aspect of your smartphone experience. From smart photo editing to real-time translation, the AI capabilities of this phone are truly next level. Your security is paramount, and the S25 Ultra takes it seriously with advanced biometric options like fingerprint scanning and facial recognition. Keep your data safe and secure with ease. Last but not least, the seamless connectivity with One UI makes the S25 Ultra a joy to use. Effortlessly transition between apps and devices, and enjoy a smooth, intuitive user experience. There you have it, folks. The Samsung S25 Ultra is packed with features that redefine what's possible in a smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing tech content. Thanks for watching.